In this video, I will provide you with instructions on how to get rid of the online scam that is related to the website Resat.live. Resat.live is a malicious site. It attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. Resat.live tries to mislead people and to make them scared about the condition of their computer. Then these pop-ups try to force users into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. So if you see these pop-ups by Resat.live, keep in mind that they are totally fake and that you should not tolerate them. Simply leave this page. I also recommend that you investigate the system with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching your system in order to detect and eliminate all other types of threats which could possibly still remain on the computer in a hidden manner. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.